I know that there are some tools out there that are, AI video creators. When it comes to videos that you need full control over each pixel, the timing and stuff like that, you're going to need a video editor. And Envideo 3.0 is something that is coming out soon that is very helpful in just that. Now you can go with your Camtasia, your Filmora, your Adobe Premiere Pro, all the other ones out there, but they're more geared for professionals and people that kind of know what they're doing. That said, something like Envideo, it's powerful enough for somebody that knows what they're doing, but it's also simple enough for beginners. It gives you engaging video templates that you can edit in just a few clicks. A lot of eye-catching designs, and they're crafted to grab the attention of your viewers instantly and keep them hooked.
Sure.
It has mind-blowing templates that'll steal your audience's heart, which it's it's a little, it's a big claim to grab your audience's, steal your audience's heart. But we'll check out some of this templates. Yeah, you have to temper your expectations for this stuff. And a done-for-you video pack with a complete and comprehensive collection of resources, tools, and much more. So just to kind of give you an idea, you get started in under 10 minutes with these 3 steps. So choose Envideo 3.0. Please choose one of the dozens of professional template scenes. So basically you go and you click a scene that you like. You drag and drop your media. So basically you are replacing the media that's in that scene with your own media, right?
Sure.
And then you edit it, you customize with whatever text you want, and then you render it. Now, where this is actually helpful is that for something like this, so I own an app called Videos, Vidyoze, which has really fallen off the map lately. Like, it's slow and it's clunky now, and man, it used to be awesome. But that said, I still own it. I still use it from time to time. There's one called Video Bolt, which is amazing. And that's similar to this, but it's very rigid. It's like, this is the template and that's it. You're just swapping out your images and your video and the text, and that's all you can do.
That's it. You don't get much. But you know what? Something like this isn't bad for a guy like me who doesn't want to spend too much time making videos, right, or something like that. Okay, this is the template I get to work with.
Right.
Fun.
And you're fine with that, right? But that said, that's videos. That's Video Bolt. This one here, the Envideo new one coming out right here that we have on the screen, this one actually lets you kind of tweak even beyond that. So it might even help you a little bit more.
That's exciting for me.
Yes, exactly. And so, I don't know, let's kind of take a look at some of these video templates. So here's a Glitch Urban Opener. So let's check this one out. That was pretty awesome. I'm not really sure what in the world was going on there, but
just do it.
It did look pretty cool, right? So let's go with the event, right? Yeah. So let's go with the event promo and let's check this one out.
Or like a search.
Yeah. Nice. I'll tell you what, I could create that in something like a Premiere Pro or a Filmora or something like that, but it would take me a while to do. So having something like this is, it's really nice for just pumping out quick content. And Sure. That's the name of the game, right? You can't take too much time on one thing because, every one of us have multiple things going on at once, and time is of the essence when it comes to this stuff. So, yeah, I mean, if you look at all of these, it's just a handful of them. And also, they come in the different formats. So, vertical versus landscape. So for Instagram or for Reels, like Shorts on YouTube or Reels on Facebook, things like that. This kind of gives you the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
The logo intros, which are really cool. Now, this is something where like a Video Bolt or a Videos, Vidyoze, videos would come in a little bit more handy than these ones. But
Sure.
Still, if you're just kind of not really worried about stuff like that, these are really cool too, and it gives you good variety. And then also the end screen. So the end screen of your videos where you need to have maybe your profile picture and then an upcoming video or a featured video, something like that. This gives you some really cool end screens to check out as well. So kinetic text, which is awesome. I love kinetic text. I love it for promotional stuff. It's just to give you an example here. I'll show you an example of it real quick. It's basically text that kind of moves around and comes in and out in unique ways. Not bad. I was thinking more along the lines of text that kind of like, moves out and in and flips and stuff like that, but it's still good.
No. I got the gist though.
Yeah, exactly. So it'll give you subscribe animations. So the little things that pop up at the bottom of the screen and say subscribe and like our channel. Something like this here right now. If you look at the bottom of the screen, something like that. Overlays. So it gives you all kind of different overlays, which are just things to kind of spice up your video and give it a little bit more depth, and then element FX. So different elements like, I don't know, wind coming by or rain or just little animations that are on the screen. Transitions, so a transition that goes from one scene to the next. This really does give you everything that you need for creating great video. And so this is coming out pretty soon. We will drop the date. I want to say it's August. Here we go, August 31st. So August 31st at 10 a.m. is when Envideo 3.0 comes out.